morning, guys. It's dark. It's 5:18 in the morning. I just left the gym. Well, I'm just leaving the gym. And I thought, let me record my Walgreens video a little earlier today because it's going to be a busy day. It was a busy weekend, and so I'm just getting around to doing Walgreens. I'll probably do CVS tomorrow. But I did put together some deals. We're going to be rolling rewards from transaction to transaction to help lower our out-of-pocket, which is always the goal. My first transaction's probably going to be a little higher than I want it to be. But I am starting off with a $5 reward from last week. And so we're going to head to Walgreens. I do have one that's 24 hours, which is cool, which is another reason why I thought, let me just go after I leave the gym. So that way it's done already, you know, and then I can get home and try to get it edited before we have to go to LA to get Joseph. We'll do about 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 transactions. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, it's all super dark. I am Shay with the pow pow. Can you see the pow pow in the dark? Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, girl. So without further ado, let's head to Walgreens and see what kind of awesome deal that we can grab.
Alright, y'all, so this first deal I'm gonna do is an oral care deal. I did see the Coupon King do this deal, and I was like, ooh, I want to try that deal. And so we're gonna do it on the Crest. Now there is a promotion. It's spend 30 get back 10 right here. So we're gonna be grabbing $30 of Crest oral care, and we're gonna grab the same ones he grabbed. So if you're not following him, go follow him, because he's awesome at Walgreens. And so we're gonna grab the Crest Pro Health right here. It's priced at $8.50. Now it is buy 2 get back 4, so we're gonna grab this one at $8.50. And then we're gonna be grabbing this one right here as well. There's no tag, but this one is $7. It's the 1.5 liter bottle, and for that one we also have a digital. They don't have the one that he got. I think he got this one right here, the double pack for $14.99, and it's spend 12 get back 6. So I'm gonna be grabbing this one up here. It's $14.99, and it's again spend 12 get back 6. And for this one we have a digital. So this is what we've got. Our total for everything is gonna be $30.49. We have a $4 digital on the toothpaste, $3 on the detoxifying, and $1 on the clean mint. Taking off $8, we'll pay $22.49. We'll get back that $10 PNG reward. We'll also get back 6 for the toothpaste and 4 for the mouthwash. And then we're going to get back $4 for the Crest toothpaste on Ibotta. We'll get back $2 for the gum detoxify, and we'll get back $1 for the clean mint. So that's going to bring that total down to a $4.51 moneymaker. This is my first transaction, y'all. It's going to be a little high. I am rolling in a $5 reward with this.
You guys, this transaction didn't work out. Like, the $4 digital on the toothpaste wasn't coming off. The $1 digital on the mouthwash didn't come off. And like when we scanned the toothpaste, the $4 attached. As soon as she scanned the mouthwashes, it bumped it off. So I did have 2 $3 digitals that came off though. I assumed they were both on the mouthwash. And so I went ahead and did it anyways. Paid $24.49. We got back $20 in rewards, $7 on Ibotta. It made it a $2.51 moneymaker. Now, at the time, I didn't know that that the digital attached to the toothpaste, it was a $3 one. I thought it was the mouthwashes, so I called customer service. They gave me $4 in points for that. So this ended up being a $6.51 moneymaker. So even though it kind of low-key didn't work out, it still worked out.
Alright, so the next deal we're going to be grabbing is the Tresemme. Tresemme is on sale for $6, and it's buy 2 get back 5. Now, this deal is the same as the Dove, but my store is completely out. I guess that's what happens when you run the same promotion for weeks and weeks, right? But they do get trucked today or tonight, so I may or may not come back and do that deal. But we will be doing the Tresemme, which is better because the bottles are pretty massive. And so we're going to be grabbing two of these prices, $6. That total's going to come to $12. For this, we do have a 5 off 2 digital, which will bring the out of pocket down to $7. We'll get back 5, making them $1 a piece, which is definitely not a bad deal. So this is the last deal that I'm going to grab with this transactions on the Crest. These are on sale for $5, and they're also buy to get back 4. Now we do have $1 digital for each of them, bringing that total down to $8. We'll get back 4 in rewards. There's also an offer on Ibotta for $1 for each one as well, bringing them down to only $1 each. So the last thing I'm going to grab is going to be the Colgate. I'm going to grab the Max Fresh. Now I want to roll the whole $20 in rewards that I have, and this would be perfect. And so they're priced on sale for $4.50. We're going to grab 2 priced at $9. There is a 5 off of 2 digital. We'll pay 4 out of pocket, get back the 3, making them 50 cents each. All right, so this transaction, y'all, I totally forgot to grab a filler, but it's okay because it put me $1 negative, and it actually came off my tax, which is cool. But look, I didn't get back the $4 for the Crest. So I'm gonna have to contact Haleon, which I don't want to do. I did use a booster, so I did get back $3 there. You guys, I am still learning. So I realized that I didn't get a $4 reward on the Crest because I used a $4 reward to purchase it. So yeah, that's me. I feel like I got bird poop on my face. And so I haven't decided if I want to return it or keep it at this point yet. This is still a moneymaker haul, so I may just keep it. And so, yeah. All right, y'all, look, it's like the next day because they got their truck last night. So I was like, you know what? I'll just wait and then I'll just come back. So I did 2 transactions yesterday. This one right here was actually supposed to be the second transaction. And so I had to move things around a little bit. And so I'm back, new day, to do this deal here. So it's on the Gillette, all right? It's on Gillette Venus, and it's on the men's as well. So they are buy 2 get back 10. Now I did do this deal last week on my other account, and so I'm gonna do it this week on my other one. So we're gonna grab the women's here. Gillette Venus is priced at $9.99. For this, we do have a $3 digital. And then we're also going to be grabbing the men's down here. It's also priced at $9.99. This one is, and this one right here is. And for that one, we also have a $3 digital as well. It's going to bring your total down to $13.98. You'll get back a $10 registry reward. Bringing it down to $3.98 for 2 of them, are only $1.99 each, which is definitely not bad considering they're normally $13. It worked out good. So, yeah. I did have to add a filler for the $5 reward to attach to. So as you see, my subtotal was $9.48. We're just gonna say that I rolled the $9 from Ibotta back into it. So it makes a subtotal, let's say 48 cents, because I couldn't think of how to work Ibotta money back into it so that I'm using it rather than just having it at the end. And then I got back the $10. Right, so our next deal was going to be on the SheaMoisture. I was hoping to find some of the regular size items for 10. They do have this one here for 11. I don't really want to pay that much, and they have this one up here as well for 11. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the serums right here. They're priced at $10, and it's spend 20, get back 10. Now for this, we do have a 10 off of 2 digital. That'll bring the total down to 15. And then I do have an offer on Fetch Reward for 75 cents back on 1 with a limit of 5. So we'll get back $1.50 there. Bringing it down to $3.50 for 2 of them are only $1.75 each. So that worked out good. All right, so there goes the 2 SheaMoistures. There goes a 5 off of 2 digital, and we used a $10 reward from the last transaction. I wrote $5 in points, paid $155 subtotal. Was that subtotal or was that tax? Oh, that was just tax. So 0 subtotal, basically. And we got back to 10. So yeah, not a bad deal. Right, so I'm gonna switch cards and do this deal since they restocked on the Optic White Pro Series. So this is the same deal that I did yesterday. It's buy 2 get back 5. So we're gonna start off with the Colgate Optic White Pro Series. It's priced at $8, and for this we have a $5 digital. And then we're also going to be grabbing the toothbrush down here. We're going to grab the foaming clean one, which is on sale for $5. And for this one, we have a $3 digital. Total for both is going to come to $13. We have $8 in digital coupons. We'll end up paying $5, and we'll get back $5, making them both free. All right, so I am going to be doing this deal here on the Dove. I did do the Tresemme. I am switching cards though for this. And so we're going to grab the Dove. Select ones are on sale for $6. It's the 18 fluid ounce bottles. So we're going to grab 2 of those at $12. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital, which will bring the total down to paying $7. And we're going to scratch the Dove because I did see that the Dove digital wasn't working. I was really hoping it'd be fixed by now, but the cashier did let me know that it's not coming off in store or online. So because the Tresemme is the same the promo, you can do both. You just have to have them on separate transactions, the same prices. So we're going to grab 2 of these, 2 for $6, buy 2 get back 5, 5 off of 2 digital, same as the Dove. We'll pay 7 get back 5. So for this transaction, I'm going to be using a $10 reward, and so but I also have a $3 one too, so I have 13 total. And so I do need a dollar filler item. So I'm going to grab the Arm & Hammer. They're on sale for $1.95. I'm going to grab the scent boosters. Okay, so that worked out good. All right, there goes the Tresemme. There goes the Colgate. And there goes the Arm & Hammer. All digitals came off. We rolled $13 in rewards. 95 cents source subtotal. I did use $1 in points. And we got back the 10. So that worked out good. And so, yeah, I did get back a 5 back when you spend 20. So hopefully I can make something work with that one. All right, so I went ahead and did this deal again. I did pay 50 cents more because of the mouthwash being $9 rather than $8.50. After our digitals, everything came off perfectly. We paid $22.99, getting back 7 on Ibotta, 20 in rewards, and $5 in Walgreens cash because we used that booster. It makes this transaction a $9.01. You guys, this worked out so amazing. I'm so excited. Like, OMG, I was hoping that they would have everything that I needed because my brother just got married this past weekend. So it was a really, really beautiful weekend, and I didn't get to go out to Walmart or anything. I didn't get to go do any deals until I got back. And so I was happy to be able to score so many awesome deals. This worked out to be just awesome. I think the only hiccup that I mentioned was the Crest, the $4 coupon not coming off. Now I realized why after the fact is that I had a $3 digital that was attaching, and it may have been a personal coupon, and it was attaching to the toothpaste. So that's why the $4 wouldn't come off. I didn't know that at the time. I called customer service. They gave me $4 in points. And so for that transaction, I didn't add the coupon at checkout. I added the points at the end. The other hiccup was that the $4 reward didn't print for the Crest, so I had to put a support ticket in with Catalina. Hopefully we'll get that back. What else? I did the Crest on my second account, and I didn't get credit for the toothpaste. I had to put a support ticket in for Ibotta. They did give me the $4 credit back for that, which was cool. I'm telling y'all, you can never go wrong with a screenshot. Sometimes it doesn't always work, but hey, you can never go wrong on doing a screenshot. And so they told me, oh, it expired. So I sent them a screenshot saying that it was still on my list, and they gave me the credit on that. And so other than that, I think those were the only hiccups for today. I did start off with a total of $15 in rewards. I had 5 yesterday, but then when I came back home, I had the $10 reward from the Dove. That was like, what, 2 weeks ago? And so I was able to roll that back in as well. And that one expired on the 3rd. So that's why I did the Crest a second time, was to roll that back in. And I really wanted to do that deal again because it was such an awesome deal. I just had to make sure that I unclipped that $3 offer so that it wouldn't attach to the toothpaste, and it worked out perfectly. Y'all, we're gonna breeze through this. We gotta get Josiah from school pretty soon, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get this done before we leave. All right, so listen, I'll pop up the picture for the last transaction. We did a total of 6 transactions, 2 different cards. The only thing I did on the second card was the Crest and the Colgate with the toothbrush and the Optic White, because those are 2 awesome deals. And I think honestly, that's one thing I do like about Walgreens with the rewards. You can use them across multiple cards, which I absolutely really love. And so I could do deals on one account and use those rewards to help me out with the other account. I think that is so freaking awesome. It's not like that at CVS, because all of the extra care bucks are specific to your account. And so that's one thing I really, really like about Walgreens. I really wish I would have got paper goods, paper plates, but I didn't. I might go back later this week and get some stuff to kind of roll some of this in, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see. And so let's breeze through this. 6 transactions, y'all, 2 different cards. Like I said, everything that you see here retails $159.41. I do have fillers too, which are 4 of those. And let's just be happy that they're still there, because normally they're not. So we had 4 of those as fillers. I did use 2 boosters. One was spend 15, get back 3. One was spend 20, get back 5. Those are the only paper boosters that I used today. All right, so everything you see here retails $159.41. We did have $50 in digitals. I did roll $83 in registry rewards. I also rolled $6 in Walgreens cash, which brought the out-of-pocket to $20.41, and we walk away with a total of $20 in registry rewards. I'm not counting that 4 because I don't expect to get it. We walk away with $16 total in Ibotta, $6 in Walgreens cash, $1.50 in Fetch Reward. It makes this a $23.09 moneymaker. Now, if I exclude the $15 in rewards that I started with, it still makes everything free plus an $8.09 moneymaker. Now, when it comes to earning in like the rebate apps and stuff, I think I'm just gonna leave it there instead of trying to roll it out, because it just makes it confusing, which is why I had to re-edit this portion of the video. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. And in the comments, I want to see lots and lots of hearts. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.